Under Kenya statute, well, kizungu ngumu hapo. Under Kenyan laws, if one is in legal custody and he or she leaves the legal custody, he or she has committed a crime. What happens when, now where does the legal custody starts? The legal custody starts when a police officer visits your compound and arrests you. As he is taking you to the police station, let's say you run away, you have escaped legal custody. Okay, the police officer has taken you to the police station. You are in the police cells. Somehow, like what happened recently in Muthaiga, somebody who has a case in the US mysteriously disappeared. Nobody knows, but we know what happened. When you are arrested, you are charged with escaping from a legal custody. If you can prove before court that the police constables who are there, report office personnel or cell sentry, if you can prove that they participated in your escape, then they become co-accused. They are accused of an offense called aiding a prisoner to escape, which, depending on the crime that the criminal has done, can either be a disciplinary within the force or they can join you in jail. The third and final place is the jail itself. You have not completed jail sentence and you have not completed your jail sentence and you find that you have escaped. Now, in jail, I mean, there are several penal institutions. If you have been arrested by anybody and you are taken before a court of law and accused under any of the charges in the Kenyan law, while you have been charged, you will be found guilty and you are sentenced. Sentencing goes to various places, but sentences, apart from kifungo cha nyumbani, if you are placed under a government legal institution, penal legal institution, under the Kenya prisons, be it an approved school, be it a Boston institution, be it Mathare Mental Hospital, be it a jail, you are supposed to be in jail until such a time that you complete your jail, you die, or we have times when jails are, there is congestion in jail. There's congestion in jail, and some prisoners are released so as the congestion, because of the congestion. There is another reason why people are released. There is a commission of mercy which reviews cases regularly with the recommendation from Kenya prison indicating that you have reformed, or a report can come from Kenya prison that your medical condition. I've seen cases where people with the serious TB, I don't know what it is called, they are released because if they continue being in jail, they risk a chance of contracting, of passing it on to prison officers or fellow prisoners. So there are so many ways of someone being released in prison. But if you leave prison before you are properly released, you are considered to have escaped from jail. and you are called a jailbreaker. What happens if you break out of jail according to Kenya's sentencing? They got back to the prison where you escaped. And you see, I'm not even talking of somebody who has been jailed, who has been convicted. No. We have people who are in the police cells, we have people who are in a remand, and even we have people who have been jailed. If you are found to have escaped prison or legal whatever, you are taken to court. The file that was there initially is produced. It shows that you were jailed for this, and or you are in a police, or even remand home, awaiting conviction of this or that offense, and then after being it is proven that you are there and you had not been released either by bail or release, you are taken to court, to jail for 6 months. Yes, 6 months, because you have escaped from a legal custody. And then you are taken back, even if you are remaining with 2 days. But those whatever period, it could be 2 days, 2 weeks, 2 days, 2 weeks, 2 months, 2 years. You will go back to serve the remainder of your term. Now, in prison, we have something that is called parole, where by good conduct or because of decongesting prison or such and such a thing, you are released. But if it can be proven that you escaped from jail, you serve the whole term. So you go back, complete the whole term, and you are not, you don't, you are not entitled to parole. You serve as the term, the judicial officer, magistrate or judge passed. Or if it is you escaped from remand, the case continues, but then you have already indicated that you are not a good person. So you have already influenced the outcome of what the judge would say. I just felt you needed to know that.